Hey everybody, I'm Lizzy McAvoy and welcome to my cooking show, The Girl in the Apron. We have added a new furry addition to our family, Meet Biscotti. He's a guinea pig. He was found wandering around in the wild and a Good Samaritan rescued him and took him to Clover Patch Sanctuary, and that's where him and I met, and I rescued him and brought him home. So in honor of Biscotti's arrival, I am making homemade almond biscotti. It's a traditional Italian cookie that I grew up eating all the time at my grandparents' house. It's crunchy, it's flavorful, it's so delicious, and it's quick and easy. Here's how you do it.
From the first day I met you, I knew you were different. And if I wasn't careful, you could be something more. And we talked for hours at the bar in the kitchen. I told you things I never told anyone before. And I don't know where we're meant to go, where we're meant to go. Show me how to know myself. I wanna know, can you show me all of yourself? Ooh, I wanna get to know you better.
You can find this recipe, pictures of this adorable little guy, and links to local rescue organizations at my website, www.lizzymcavoy.com. I'll see you all next time. Bye!
And if I wasn't careful, it could be something more.